Yeah, mfethu. Hey, yes this step and I didn't ngiyakhatheka. At least my sesibuyile.
Yeah.
All right. So sigcina la sikhuluma ngalama talent, yani? Yama foreign nationals.
Who are living
yeah. Be it illegal foreigners or legal foreigners, yani? But our brothers and sisters from the African continent, who manje when we are ukuthi amagoli yiba bashaya amagoli kakhulu ane leading goal scorers ane so manje na kwamanye ama sectors afana nabo engineering sola ukuthi bagodi
ene bakhona
yabani mara okay wathi wena hayi umuntu if uze anganamaphepha uze anganamaphepha all right so
ayikhulunywa kakhulu
all right so manje uyithini indaba if ubabakhe ane uze illegal waphrekisa South African wavela yena lo muntu lo sakuyi South African manje
yes South African mara enginamaphepha so
yeah
wase yizo ukuthi ube South African enginamaphepha because ngokomthetho kumele ube namaphepha uma ufuna ukuphila kahle
yeah
you all know ukuthi uma unamaphepha vele uzophila kabuhlungu
yeah
ngeke kube mnandi
yeah
uma unamaphepha uyazi ukuthi uzophila kamnandi uhamba la ufuna ukuhamba khona u free to go anywhere in South Africa
yeah
it's easy for you like that
yeah you are legal
uhamba la ufuna ukuhamba khona uthanga for ukuthi hey nishangani
yeah
no which are you right
all right manje iproblem yalabantu lapha ane as skills as they are bafike bahluphe nama South African
that's the problem
and I think when you are relating ngale issue le kakhulu tell me briefly nje yami ngiyangitshela of the camp yabani ngitshela kancane ukuthi ikuhamba
no wena bra yami emzansi yasekhona amahlangano amaningi akuma independent sparring stuff into njalo
ngasho la screen ifela uyi12 lamo show la screen
akhona amajita wangaphansi sekhona in our pictures companies big companies small companies akhona emzansi ngoba sekhona abajita bathi ukuthi ayibona basakala kanjani ba right wena
okay ba right ngama 2 cents
but inkinga ukuthi akusiba kuphela bakhona in those companies called South African Steel bakhona basebenzayo lapho just like ukubale
bakhola kahle
I don't know you never know this thing
yeah
because inkinga ukuthi mawubathole ecompany e1 bebaningi banale mentality ukuthi kumele ngene awubona kuphela abantwana bakubo sibali babo and everything yonke ngomshana umalume so bafakana ngokumjalo esipaneni and njengoba befana kanjalo ezibani into ebuhlungu labantu laba they want to control everything
ama song libele ngilungisa la
they want to control everything and njengoba bafuna ukucontrol everything ngasona mngani wami
nasesipani
nasepani nasipani they know ukuthi
Kolebo
so
kunomkhulu exe kunomkhulu kamkhulu
lapho in that company and abantu ngaphandle bahlala ngaphandle
okay
so mawuzongena umuntu ecompany labangamazi ukuthi ungene kanjani ngoba angenanga ngosibani bani angenanga ngosibani or angenanga ngomalume and those kind of things uba ne problem that person makafika lapho in that working environment because they treat you bad
what
but go listen to you don't want to hear
okay
where do you come from
we foreign so who we foreign
kathalo uwaphenduka iforeigner in your country very funny very funny and program la ngisipana khona ngifana nabo ne and they've got years in that company so ngoba they've got years in that company obviously kulabona mina ngene company ngifakwa ingalo because he was my previous manager
uthi kuphi lani kuyakhona
so what he left the company with the company
so isho bakuhlukumeza labantu laba I think anyway la uthola imajority yabantu na khona emanye ama family uthola amapedi kuphela kuphi kuphi uthola amaXhosa kuphela wena mo umZulu or umpedi kunto yamaXhosa back discriminate
you more like an outsider to them
so bakuhlupha bayenzani nganono
treatment bro
fucking bad lezi asespanini sakho ziyayazi mosita sithox treatment izobona into
I don't care ukuthi ziyabona to emphasize this and ngiyishela out ukuthi yazi bayayazi abantu abaningi amasebenza in those companies khona amashangani you know ukuthi kunjani
Rough.
Everybody knows that. Ukuthi nje abantu abaningi akusinto abaphuma ngayo la.
Yeah.
But into ethunakalayo, into ekhona.
Yeah. Yebo mama. So manje khona amakasi afana nabo Hip, ane? Khona amakasi afana nabo Zonke, ane? Khona amakasi la manje mongaya khona manje. Dominate abantu bangaphandle, ama illegal foreigners. Yetshana. eSouth Africa. Yetshana. Sithi nalapho bavele bakuchithe ngathi the same way bakuchithe ngakhona wena useSpanish. Uba yi-outsider use-South Africa.
So nomngane wami if bakhona ukuchitha njalo at your workplace. Ikhaya lakho endaweni yakho lapho
la uzalelwe khona. Yeah.
So when do you think ukuthi mawuba sendaweni yawo la abahlala ngakhona kuyibo imajority kunjani mawucabanga? Because yibo kugcele bona bayathi angeke kubeze lento. And angeke ushayele umuntu wona ngoba mawusha umuntu wona uvela inkwazi.
Khona zonke. Ngikutshela mina la esibhedlela.
So uyabona ukuthi kunjani? Uyabona ukuthi it's getting worse.
So nawe sezikupakanyela lapha eSpanini.
Kunjalo bro wami.
Sokumuntu wrong.
Sekuyimuntu wrong. Ucabana nomuntu eSpanini.
Yeah.
Indaba yomsebenzi because vele ungase ezifanele sikuphetha umsebenzi.
Yeah.
Abana indaba yomsebenzi mara uthola ukuba because of ucabane naye. Sibona ucabane nabo bonke labantu manje.
Yeah.
Nestory sakho mawuthi uyathatha usisa engamleni. Bona bazosikhulumisa.
Sabaswaka.
Bona bayasikhulumisa sakho baba ukuthi alo yahlala ukuyaphi la. Azofuna ukusiceba emlungwini ukuthi kwenzakaleni eSpanini. Akupayiswe yena futhi uzobheselwa mina ngiyafika eSpanini amna power and I'm alone. Against abantu abayi4 and they all saying the same thing.
Hey, against the yakho. Yeah.
So ngiye ngasithola sengilapho in the situation.
Yeah.
Ngithola mina ingamla engifashile sebona ngathi more. But ngithatha leyo ingamla engifashile iyangazi ukuthi njani.
Yeah.
Because ingazi more years than those people.
Yeah.
Ngintanda leyo iyangazi ngamuthi umuntu osipana umuntu onjani osipana kanjani. I joke a lot. I'm so and so uyangazi. Ungikhashile before 5 years ago. And I worked for him for 5 years.
No, that's nice my brother. Ngiyajabulela lento leyo. Shithi manje yabona sesiku-crisis manje. Sithola ukuthi manje imajority eSouth Africa sekuzoba abantu bokufika. You understand? And abantu abanye bathanda ukuthi mara nazi ingamla zikhona nani. My brother, you can't nazo ama-foreigner we agree. But you can't be in a situation lapho khona yonke igroup eza eSouth Africa igcina iqindezela uDutch wase South Africa. You understand? I-wrong nidingly. Wonke umuntu makaze la azo contribute positive. Mara acafe at the back of his head or her head ukuthi at the end of the day country yama South Africa ungabaqindezeli. You understand? Na intona yami seyakhohlela ethi ngivule igate. Yeah, mothi.
So nomngane wami nje okushonakala ngakhona na ufika bona bathakathi le country le akusase yithi country is for other people.
Yeah.
Ngiyangithola ukuthi thina sabonakala sa-exist ngayo yonke lento leyo ngiyangithola. That's why ngithi yonke lento leyo nomngane wami kumele ukuthi ama-South Africans abe serious about this. Nalento leyo ukuthi bonke abantu abangenazo izinto ama-paper crane essay kumele bahambe bayolungisa izinto zabo lana ababuya khona just like other countries emhlabeni. Yabona ngoba manje sithole problem in ama-South Africans in our workplace. Uthola imajority abantu bangaphandle bekucindezela because bayabona ukuthi ngamanye kufanele bona bephinde.
Yes, more than when in South Africa.
Yeah, more than when in South Africa. And even to Ingamla is about 10 because they've been with them for so long.
Hey, my
John.
Yeah, no,
fuck up. Yeah. Spanish right now. I know of Spanish on Thursday.
Hey, sir. And I mean, I should talk about grand for my last. You will look sharp. You will look grand, very far. Especially yeah. Forklift. Yeah. I'm an operator. Yeah. With forklift incidents. Yeah. You tell me you put a bag of pilot. Yeah. As a packer. As Ethiopia. As Ethiopia. Well, must see pilot incidents in. I go driver often see pilot like straight. Yeah. When I feel them from one week now. Yeah. We all there to work. Yeah. I get to the phone to support that. Yeah. So, again, I am at the time. Yeah, in the corner. I got in the perfect. Yeah. So, I find it very hard to see after
ngimtshela ukuthi akafake ipilot umshita ngitshela ingane kaqhawe ipilot ujike kalini mina ngiyipheshini ngibhale ipilot mangibholoza kuwe ngimtshela kanjani
miyehla wena upaka ipilot
miyehla wena ngipaka ipilot miyehla wena paka ipilot
bazomtshela but
yena so wayibona la nje program yabona the next thing masiqala sirealize later
you're being xenophobic.
It was xenophobic. We don't love us, but you are going to do this. So I'm not saying in this point, I will see I cheat a penalty to be paid and this mistake. So I work it more as supervisor. I'm supervisor. I'm a supervisor. I'm busy packing to I don't as soon as you want to but it's a some
Yo, ipeka isapaki. Yo,
and the man is fun about the peg. Are you gonna be the peg?
Yo,
we are told.
Yeah, Bugale,
is that politics of my dialogue? We are planning to over in a custom people see it don't come so long. Because in the company that I'm looking for, you need big boss. That level suppose the code if flow manager
when it's a new big boss or who post low flow manager.
Because who post the flow otherwise anyway. Problems like that. Company
well, why but I illegal foreigners to start with.
They've been there. Before the young generation,
or Dali company of a cash.
Dali company of a cash for years, the company more than 10 years, about more than 15 years. So they directly so we're born with you.
I ain't born and fetch. I ain't born and fetch. I mean, honestly speaking, I don't know what is to be done in fact. Because you see, I born and I didn't illegally under the problem. And I want to use. Ngiyabona egiyazayo eMzansi ukuthi bakhansele to send abeze nasemakhampanini please labantu abayenza la ngiyabeza nasemakhampanini bazobona ukuthi kunjani ne-work because mina la ngisebenza khona mngani wami baningi ababhaya ni controller bona sizwa ngabo wabona umuntu utshela umuntu ongaphandle amasima show wala eMzansi ayikho into oyedwa mangothi uyaphakama uyoqashisa umsebenzi so you know abayenza and they make sure ukuthi so kumele sifane kubonakala ngathi kuloro and vele uyi-1 abantu abayi-9 bonke kuma-70 you think ingami la izobhiliva bani obvious izobhiliva laba abaningi
you see what I mean
kuba ngathi vele i-evidence yabo iyasinda inesisindo
so into enjalo angeke uze uwine leyo fight ngeke uze uwine so njengaloko esipalini nomthizini Friday ngiyagula nyana ngatazi nathi bengiphuma stress ngapha ngizela ku doctor
company kamele ibhadale for this thing
ngizela ku doctor because no doctor afika bo for 2 days and 2 days man ngayo ngeke khona nje you could see me ngicela umphela wakhe
yakubona ubhizi vele uthaying sharp no amajita kwamele siringe ngalezi zinto amajita kwamele siringe
because even danke engisipana khona manje I'm showing my enemies I 3 and I'm still on probation guys, right? I'm still on probation.
So my enemies already.
It's Spanish.
The work environment is toxic. Kabanga messing na illegal foreigners apart.
And the last thing I'm going to do very about the
yo. What to be now? Yo.
That to Maranga
yo. Kumuntu. Uyakudoksa kumuntu. Yo. Uthi ukuncedile udoksa.
Senginema i-HR asemsebenzini. Ijayelo lesibili kuthona usebenza umanage. Umthetho uhulumeni. Angifunda ngathi angayiklinik. Ngidoktor.
Ukhonile ukukunceda ma udoktor.
Ukhona ukunceda
no masweet.
After 3-4 days we say rise.
Lota khona amanye ama-work environment lota kusipanikeli lota yo
so namanje ngami angikutshela manje kubuya ngami right now
kube mone imali
kube kuthatha nginemali
kube uyidinga imali
ngeke ngibuye Spanish ngami vele ngizokuthi
uqeshe kuphi otherwise it's the way
because very very you ekugcineni ugcina sawubhore
ubhorele into ukuthi
bayabhore ibhayile ngiyabona